Hello viewers, this is Samuel the Wizard Guy. In today's video, we are going to learn how to copy, cut, and paste work within our document. So let me open a document here that I have prepared. So we have some typed work here. I want to make a copy of this work onto the next line here without retyping the same work. So I can use an option for copy, which is just right here on the home bar. So cut and copy and paste, they are found under what you call the clipboard section in the home tab. So first of all, you come and select the work. I'm selecting. After selecting, you come and pick an option which is for copy. So I'm copying, I'll click on copy. So when I click on copy, I come and select the new location, which is just below here, the text. So I come and click at the end here. I press enter key to create a new line for the copy that I want to paste in that section. So I come and choose what? Paste. When I click paste, the new copied work will come just on the next line. So I can paste as many times as I can. I can paste as many times as I can because I copied the work. After copying, the work went to what you call a clipboard section. What's a clipboard section? A clipboard section is a storage of memory that holds data temporarily, and then you locate a new location, then you paste, you put the work in the other location. Okay, so after pasting the work will go to the next line, just the way you have seen here. So that is copying. So you can paste as many times as you can without again going back to choose an option for copy. So that is copying. Let's look at cutting. With cutting, so I'm going to cut this work here. These first two sentences, this one is here. I put it on the next line. I place these sentences on the next line. So I'm going to select like this. After selecting, I come and I choose cut. So when I click cut, the work will disappear. Of course, it has not run out from our system. It has gone on what you call a clipboard section. You come to the next line where you want to put the work. So I'll have 3 lines there. Then you come and say paste. So you can see we cut this information from this section. Now it is here on the new location. After pasting, the work will just go. So we can paste as many times as we can. Yes, we can paste as many times as we can, simply because we chose an option for cut, and our work is in what you call a clipboard section. So that is copying and cutting. So let's look at Format Painter. It copies the formattings that you have done to specific information to the new location. For example, I'm going to select this work. I give it color, blue, and then I come and pick what? Format Painter, which is here. You click Format Painter. Then you come down here and do the selection. The selection like this. After selecting, the formattings of the first text will appear on the next text. So I'm going to add these formattings on the next line sentence. So I'll come back to, I'll select, then I'll go to Format Painter. I come and select the work that I want to apply the same formattings. Like that, you can see. So instead of reselecting and then going back there, I can just copy the same formattings that I've done up here to the next text. So that is cutting, copying, and use of Format Painter, then paste. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.